Hello friends, today's topic, huge rally in 7 railway PSUs and 1x, 2x, 3x question mark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. In the last 1 to 2 years, PSU stocks have performed extremely well. Some PSU stocks have multiplied 3 to 4 times in this period. This is opposite of the long-term performance of PSU stocks, where most PSU stocks don't give good returns. With this fantastic rally in PSUs, the market cap of such stocks have gone so high that it has gone higher than even the large blue chip companies in the Nifty 50 index. Many investors keep asking whether we can invest in such hot stocks. The decision of investing or not in a stock should be done after studying the data and going through the facts and figures of the company. We will present certain facts of certain companies and you can research and decide whether to invest or not. The set of hot stocks currently are railway related stocks, especially PSU, since government is expected to allocate higher budget for Indian Railways in the financial year 2024-25. Due to this, some stocks are rallied to the sky. Here is the stock performance of railway related PSUs. Number 1, IRFC, 1 year returns 395%, market cap 2,20,048 crores. 2, Railway Vikas Nigam, 1 year returns 283%, market cap 61,862 crores. 3, Railtel Corporation, 1 year returns 208%, market cap 12,659 crores. 4, Ircon International, 1 year returns 282%, market cap 22,259 crores. 5, BML, 100% 1 year returns, market cap 13,080 crores. 6, IRCTC, 1 year returns 45%, market cap 76,648 crores. 7, Container Corporation of India. It has gone up by 21% in the last 1 year, market cap 50,873 crores. Apart from these PSU stocks in the railway sector, there are a few private companies also which have rallied by 100 to 300% in the last 1 year. So you can see the huge hype around this group of stocks. Let us take the example of IRFC, which has appreciated the most. IRFC stocks gone up from 21 to 170 between 3rd October 2023 to 24 January 2023, plus 705% in 4 months. Such a huge rise cannot be justified by any level improvement in the fundamental. Investors who made some profit in such stocks should consider themselves lucky. It has nothing to do with the skill of the investor. In fact, it is just like winning a lottery. It is very unlikely that a person wins a lottery for the second time. Now, IRFC sales and net profit. 2018-19 sales 11,134 crores, net profit 2,255 crores. 2019-20 13,421 crores and net profit 3,192. 2020-21 sales 15,771 crores, net profit 4,416 crores. 2021-22 20,299 crores and net profit 6,090 crores. 2022-23 23,892 is the sales in crores and net profit 6,337 crores. Sales and net profit have been increasing. However, the question is, does the stock price rise justify a 395% appreciation in 1 year and 700% in 3 months? Indian Railway Corporation IRFC borrows funds from the financial markets to finance the acquisition of assets which are then leased out to the Indian Railways. So, it is a non-banking finance corporation focusing solely funding for Indian Railways. Let us compare the market cap of IRFC with various large companies. Number 1, IRFC, P ratio 37, market cap 2,20,048 crore. Bajaj Finance, P ratio 33, market cap 4,36,099 crores. Shriram Finance, P ratio 13 and market cap 86,212. Cholamandalam Investment and Finance, P ratio 34 and the market cap 1,02,762 crores. Number 5 is Muthoot Finance, P ratio 15 and the market cap 56,337 crores. So you can observe the high valuation of IRFC compared to very well run and leading NBFCs which have a wide scope of growth compared to IRFC which relies on growth of railway sector. In fact, its market cap is now higher than Nifty 50 companies such as M&M, Bajaj Auto, Tata Steel, Hero Motocar, JSW Steel, etc. IRFC depends on government allocating more funds for the railways which will help it borrow and lend more to the Indian Railways. Most of the PSU stocks in India do well only due to the monopoly status provided by the government. If and when that status changes, it could significantly impact the financials and growth prospects of such PSUs. In due course, more institutions will be opened to private companies. This is similar to what happened in insurance sector, defense sector, etc. Anybody who says that they knew that IRFC or similar stocks would rally a lot is just bluffing and trying to show that they are smart without actually being smart. Many of our channel members have made good profits in such stocks, but the question is whether you are brave enough to invest a significant amount of money. There is no point making 100% on an investment of 10,000 to 20,000. Now, here is an important announcement. Special Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute WhatsApp community channel. If you are interested to join our WhatsApp channel, the link to join is in the description box below. You will need to view the channel and follow it. Please note that since this is a WhatsApp channel, you will not be able to reply to the messages nor can anybody else contact you on their own. Many experts are calling this rally in railways PSU stocks as a bubble which is bound to burst sometime. However, as an investor, it is your decision on what kind of approach you follow towards investment. You need to decide whether you want to make quick profits with the help of luck or short-term momentum or make reasonable returns on a long period on a big investment. We made this video for investors to think and decide what they would like to do with their money. Most investors blindly follow others without understanding the risk and reward of the investment. If after research you are confident of the long-term potential, you can invest accordingly and not be confused when there is a correction in stock price. End of the video, here is a question. Have you invested in any railway related PSU stock? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, all the best.